Hi, I'm Mohammed, the CEO and founder of VISXA. I am a solo founder, ex-immigration lawyer, immigrant who would like to start an immigration platform and ecosystem to solve such huge problem. I've already raised 105K, built some traction. MVP will be ready in a couple of weeks. We are building Upwork for the travel industry, starting from working remotely from anywhere, applying for visas, relocation advice, opportunities overseas, or being a nomad traveler. We understand that it's very hard nowadays to follow rapidly changing immigration laws and restrictions and how confusing immigration information is. We are building VISXA to help connect immigrants, travelers with immigration experts and travel experts worldwide. We will make it very easy to get in touch, know how much it will cost you, and the whole process will be affordable, simpler, and fair. Thank you so much for watching.